So why is 3D printing kind of the biggest opportunity for traditional POD sellers in almost a decade? In this video, we're gonna break down the main ways that 3D printing, print on demand, actually is way better than traditional POD. Item number one, which everybody really cares about, is margins. 3D printed products have way higher margins than traditional POD. With regular POD, you're printing on like a white t-shirt and putting down a piece of art. You buy a $9 shirt and you try to sell it for $10 or $12. You're barely fighting for anything. But with 3D printing, you can make something as valuable as like an iPhone charger dock or a lamp, something that can be sold for $50 to $100, but only costs about $15 or $20 to make. So you just get wildly higher value than what you can with regular POD because it's made with commodity items. Whereas 3D printing allows you to create actual original products. So you're able to just make a lot more money. Number two, the ability to make original products means that you can actually be competitive. You're not selling the exact same shirt with a different thing printed across it. You're actually selling something original. You can partner with designers and create something that actually has long-term value and economic benefit to where you can be protected and other people can't just rip you off by screenshotting your design and putting it on their t-shirts. This is a really big protection because you actually have a moat that allows your 3D printing POD shop to maintain its existence and grow and be reliable, maintaining those high margins. And the third really big one is just the fact that you can create really reliable products. You can make real products so that instead of having people accumulate AI art t-shirts inside of their underwear drawer that wear out over time and are just fast fashion kind of stuff, and again, commodities that everybody can get a hold of, you can actually create something really unique that people have a greater connection to and could have a love for your brand and your store and your creations in a way they don't with traditional POD. So it's just a better way of getting stuff made. So if you're in traditional POD, you probably should be looking at a service like Teleport or anything along those lines in order to start adding in 3D printed items into your existing t-shirts and mugs and that kind of stuff because they are higher margin, people like you a lot more, and you actually have a competitive advantage that you can maintain because you just can't get immediately cloned. Have a great day, everybody.